do we have here? Oh no!
Now is my time to shine. Let's go.
When your time comes, don't postpone it. When others doubt and out, you don't condone it.
Truth be told,
Yourself is your toughest opponent. When your moment comes, grab hold and own it. Never let go, stand tall and hold tight. Overcoming obstacles is the objective in life. Doubters all the night, and unto them you shine bright. Cause
So I know a lot of you guys are wondering what happened with the mouse, because you saw the mouse nest up there in the dash. Well, we were able to get the mouse out of the vehicle and got rid of all that. Shot the video scope up in the dash and saw there's no more mice in there. It's just one culprit. They do that. Vehicle's been parked for over a month. They'll go in there, it's safe and secure for them. But we got them out and move on with this project.
never let go, stand tall and hold tight. Overcoming obstacles is the objective in life. Doubters all the night, and unto them you shine bright. Cause inside your head, on goes the light. Doubters all the night, and unto them you shine bright. Cause inside your head, on goes the light. Doubters all the night, and unto them you shine bright. Cause inside your head, on goes the light.
ignite.
Plant the intuition upon the stars in the night that glisten. To you they listen, to be you is standing on wishing.
Ignite.
Plant the intuition upon the stars in the night that glisten. To you they listen, to be you is standing on wishing.
Ignite.
Plant the intuition upon the stars in the night that glisten. To you they listen, to be you is standing on wishing. When your time comes, don't postpone it. When others doubt and out, you don't condone it.
Truth be told,
Yourself is your toughest opponent. When your moment comes, grab hold and own it. Never let go, stand tall and hold tight. Overcoming obstacles is the objective in life. Doubters all the night, and unto them you shine bright. Cause inside your head, on goes the light.
ignite.
Plant the intuition upon the stars in the night that glisten. To you they listen, to be you is standing on wishing. Listen, do your own math and learn from the stuff that you are missing. Create your own path with
So guys, when it comes to doing carpet in a vehicle like this, you don't have to cover every square inch. You can see the blue padding coming out from underneath. That's all going to be covered by the plastic body panels. Um, and you want to loosely fit the carpet. You don't want to glue it solidly to the floor. If you get any moisture under there, you'll get mold. It needs some air so it can actually dry out if you ever get any moisture from feet or anything else. We went with a water resistant top coated household padding that's meant for pets. It works really good in automobiles and it doesn't water like the jute does. So, like and subscribe our channel, guys. That'll help us keep doing some videos. Um, hit that thumbs up notification, hit that bell notification, then you'll get to know when we have more videos coming. Thumbs up. Everybody likes to see that. That lets us know we're doing a good job. And of course, please subscribe. Subscribing to our channels. The more of you guys that subscribe, then eventually we'll make money off this and we can do more better vehicles.